Hello, so today we're going to teach you how to send videos from your Snapchat gallery into Snaps. Let's start it by opening Snapchat. Once it's open, just click the smile emoji here. Then click search and type gallery. Then we're gonna have to choose this one. Let's just wait for it. Then just click the video that you want to be your snap. So let's choose this one. Then long press this button, then it will start recording the snap that you want to post, and just stop pressing when you're done. You can go ahead and customize it, add text or filters, whatever you want. It's up to you. And when you're done, just click next down here. And look for the person or account that you want to send it. Then hit send. So there we go. See that the snap is already sent. So that's it for teaching you how to send videos from your gallery into Snaps. Thank you for watching.